Keeping our attention on what it is we want to experience rather than on the chemo. So we're welcoming in wellness. It's like you're moving from one reality into another reality, one possibility into another possibility. And whether you're using, what level 1 or whether you're using level 4 heart energy, whatever of the workshops that you're using, my number one tip would be you want to keep your energy on what it is that we're bringing in rather than on the chemo. We'll sit here and discuss it and everyone will all say yes, yes. But when you're in that moment and somebody's expressing their symptoms to you and you might even be hearing the sounds of hospital in the background and all these things, you want to use all the techniques that you learn in the Quantum Touch workshops to really focus your energy on the higher vibrational frequencies. That would be my top tip.